Hello friends, welcome in Ankita's tutorial. In today's class, we are going to learn sort and filter in Microsoft Excel. Sort is used to sort your data in ascending or descending order, and filter is used to filter your data in given criteria. So let's start learning sorting data. Here I have some data, and in that we will use sort option. I want to sort percentage column. Take your cursor anywhere in this percentage column. No need to select whole column. Go to sort option. This option is in home tab editing group. Here we have three options: A to Z, Z to A and custom sort. So we will use this second option, that is Z to A, means in descending order. Now see, our largest marks number is displayed at the top, and that roll number is also here, that is Swara Desai. Her roll number is 10. She got 97%. As per the percentage column, Excel has sorted remaining all columns. Instead of clicking any cell, if you select whole column and then use same option, then here computer is showing you one warning. There expand the selection and continue with current selection. What do you want to do? So we have to just click on sort. Don't click on continue with current selection. If you click on the second option, then computer will sort only the selected column. So expand the selection is correct option. Click on sort. The data is displayed. We will see one more example. Now I want to sort this name column as per ascending order. So first option. Here Aditya, there are two Aditya, that two roll numbers are displayed here as per alphabetical order, first K and then S, then Adrian, Akshay, and that student's marks also display. So computer is sorting data as per our requirement, selected column, and as per that remaining whole data, means it is meaningful. Hope you understand this. In sort we have one more option, that is custom sort. We will apply this custom sort on this data. I have here data with two columns. I will click on sort option, select custom sort. Sort dialog box is displayed here. In that, add label, delete label, copy label. So if you click on add label, you will get more labels there, and we can delete that label. We have here only two columns, so that's why we will take two columns. Sort by name. I will take here address. These are column names. First computer will sort address column and then it will see at the name column. Click on OK and see the changes. Here address column is sorted as per ascending order, and as per that name column is there. Means who is living in Airoli, that student is displayed here. There are two people living in Pune, and that names are displayed in alphabetical order. Similarly with Thane, here we have three people from Thane, and that names also displayed in alphabetical order. This is all about custom sort. Next part is filter. We have here filter option in the same group, editing group of home tab. Click on filter. You will get here filter icon for all the columns. And to remove this filter icon, same button, click again. We have one shortcut key, that is Ctrl Shift L, and to remove same key. So what is the use of this filter? Just click on this arrow and see here all the fields whichever we have filled in our datasheet that are displayed here. If I click on select all, then all the fields are removed. I want to see only A1. So student who got A1, that names are displayed here, that record is here. If I want to see A1 as well as A2, then A1 and A2 names are displayed, and the column whichever you use filter option, that icon is changed. In filter, select all means you can see all the columns. Now we will see advanced filter. Here filter by color. These colors are displayed in my datasheet. I want to filter data by yellow color, so only yellow color records are displayed. To clear filter, we have this button, clear filter from grade. Here we have number filters, and in that loads of options are available: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, less than or equal to, between. So we will check here less than. I want to see 50, and here the result is displayed here. Student who got less than 50, that records are here. In number filters, top 10 means only top 10 records will display. Next, above average means marks more than 70 display in above average. We will check what will be the below average. Then less than 70 marks are displayed in the below average. This all about the number format. Now we will see text format. For that we will go to the name column, because here text available. Text filters, all options whichever we got in the number format, that all are here also available. We will use here contains. So I am writing here M and OK. M alphabet is available in these particular names. That's why only that records are displayed. Ends with S. No one is there ends with S. Ends with, we will see A. Two names are there, ends with A. So like this we have many options. We will clear this all by clicking on clear filter from name. That's all. We learn many things in this video. Hope you understand this all. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt about Excel, then you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much.